Social media is a tool that many of us are very comfortable with using, and as students, it is important to use this to our advantage in the professional context. LinkedIn is a great way to do just that. To create a LinkedIn account, go to linkedin.com and click Join Now. Then follow the steps to create a profile. You will want to create a strong profile that leaves the right impression and establishes the purpose of your account, whether it be job searching or creating a professional network. By adding quality information and keywords to each section, you can really make your account stand out. The first step to personalizing your account is to add a picture. You want this to represent how you want to be perceived, which in this case should be professional and appropriate. The image can be a professional headshot taken by the university or any other picture that clearly shows your face and represents you. You will want one that is recent and recognizable. Next, you will want to adjust your headline, which will depend on your desired use for LinkedIn. If you want professionals or potential employers to discover you, enter your current job title and keywords that they may search for. If you are not currently employed, write the job title that you are seeking. Then create a summary, which is like an objective statement where you can briefly describe your interests, experience, skills, and expertise. You will want to capture a reader's attention within the first few sentences of your summary because this is what they will see first. If you would like to show examples of your work, you can do so in the featured section. Choose to add media, which allows you to submit any photos, documents, or presentations that you would like to share. You should also add some of your recent and relevant work experience as well as education, which you can enter as the University of Waterloo, followed by your program. If you would like your profile to be publicly visible to people not signed into LinkedIn, you can do so by adjusting your visibility settings. If you know someone personally that you would like to add on LinkedIn, you can search for them in the search bar at the top and click Connect on their profile. You can also customize who can connect with you by following the steps indicated here. By clicking on My Network at the top of your page, you can sync contacts from your devices to see which people in your contacts have profiles. You can follow hashtags, companies, newsletters, and people through your profile. LinkedIn will also often provide you with suggestions on who to follow based on your profile and interests. This is another way to expand your network and create connections. To message people that you've connected with, you can click on your messaging tab, which will take you to your inbox. In addition to networking, LinkedIn directly provides you the opportunity to job search. Click on the Jobs tab at the top of your page and search for positions based on location and desired criteria. This page will also recommend jobs for you based on your profile information. You can save the jobs that you're interested in or apply to them directly by clicking Apply. The job will either have the option to easy apply directly on the LinkedIn page or to just apply, which will redirect you to an external site. Tell recruiters that you're open to job opportunities by selecting Get Started on your profile page and specifying job titles, locations, and types that you are interested in. If you intend on using additional social media platforms for professional use, here are some things you should keep in mind. Consider everything you post online to be public information. Assume that your posts can be visible to anyone and potentially impact your professional image. This involves the picture you post, the language you use, and the ways you interact and communicate with other profiles. Stay true to yourself in the way that you want to be presented, but set boundaries to the content you post, acknowledging the professional context you're posting in, and remembering the importance of ethical behavior within and beyond our university community, whether online or in person.